going on, Hold Strong family? This is Angel here, and today I'm going to be going over the website and my trade today. Actually yesterday night. So I made about $36,000 last night. Man, I stayed up so late, and I actually videotaped very good content for you guys. So I'm gonna be showing you guys that today. I'm gonna be showing you guys the website, and I'm gonna be giving you guys the first code for the $1,000 giveaway, so you guys can start using it on the website for March 31st. So you guys can accumulate a bunch of entries for March 31st, and then after that, every single video I'm gonna have a new code. So make sure that you guys, every single day there's going to be a new code for a new entry. If you use the same code for the next day, it's not going to work. So make sure that you come to the next video and you use that for the entry. Alright guys, let's hit the intro. Alright you guys, so as you guys can see, I'm up to 138,575 and 50 cents. Man. And excuse me. I'm so tired, to be honest. I am super tired. I made myself some coffee right now. I stayed up late, you guys, to like record, to like start editing, but I'm gonna be showing you guys the website. I'm gonna be showing you guys everything, how I made $30,000 and all that good stuff. Alright, so let's go to the video. Alright guys, so actually before I get into the video, I'm gonna actually show you guys the website, something that you guys have been waiting for, and the website is instantstocktrader.com. so if you haven't checked it out, this is the first time I'm actually releasing it so that you guys can check it out. Instant Stock Trader, I'm about to show it right here on the screen. So this is Instant Stock Trader right here. So this is for Hold Strong Trading Channel. I'm gonna have the link down below so you guys can click on it, so you guys can go to the website. It's instantstocktrader.com. so this is the home page, you guys. This is like this is basically the home page right here. So this is me right here, saying daily giveaway starting March 31st. Gives a little bit of insight, a little bit of information about the website. Here's my Instagram and here's my YouTube. So if you guys want to go to my Instagram and follow me, that would be awesome. I clicked on giveaways and more videos. So right here, yeah. So right here, basically it's a link to my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that link, and then it'll take you to my YouTube channel. Right here, you guys. So right here where it says giveaways and more videos, this is where you will put your entries. So make sure that you guys go to this section, you fill up, put your full name, you guys, your email, the one that you're going to be receiving contact, and if you have like Google Pay or Apple Pay or PayPal, that's how you'll receive your payment. What city are you from? So right here, this is where you put what city you're from. I would like to know what city you're from. That would be awesome, just to figure out what parts of the world I've like reached out to. And code for the day. So for today, the code for today is trader. So it's gonna be TRADER, trader. So make sure that you put that code today, and it'll give you an entry. So you can only put one entry per hour. If there's multiple entries within 1 hour, it will not count. So only one entry per hour, you guys. So you guys can come back from, I don't know, whatever time, from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This code will be good for tomorrow as well. So not just for today, but also for tomorrow. Unless I come up with another video. So the next time that I come up with another video, that'll count as a new code. So right after I put the new video, you're gonna have to put the new code in. But in the meantime, you guys can always put the code prior from the last video, and it'll function. It'll work, and I'll accept it. Okay, so for this one, Hold Strong Trading Channel, why I took the trade. So I got feedback, and it was something that I was already thinking about, which was awesome. So $36,228 profit today. I posted this last night morning technically, and it shows basically the trades that I took. So look, trade recap today, March 27, 2019. Wow, what a day, you guys. So like I give a little description about what I did, I provide a little link so you guys don't forget to put the code of the day. And here it is, you guys. This is basically my trading recap. I explain why I took the trade. Right here, momentum pushing downwards but not strong enough to break through. So as you guys can check this out later. You guys can read a little bit more. But every single day, you guys, I'm going to be posting content like this. I'm gonna make sure that you guys know what I'm doing, what I'm trading. So if you guys want to learn how to trade, you guys want to learn how to be successful, that's how you guys can do it. Alright, so for the giveaways, I don't have to explain that no more. I hope it's straightforward. If you guys have questions, you guys can comment down below. Alright, you guys, also I want to put this out there. Make sure that you guys tell your friends and family, some people that might be interested in this channel. I am going to be linking the other, I'm actually making another channel to do the challenges and stuff like that. I don't want to mix up the trading and the challenges because I feel like, you know, I want to have some fun here too, but I feel like I don't want to confuse people. I don't want to drive away some other people. I want people that want to learn about trading to come here. And people that want to like watch some funny videos, even you guys, if you guys want to watch funny videos, just go straight forward to the other channel. But I'll be releasing that other channel very soon. For this channel, I want to be strictly trading and that good stuff. The other channel will also have giveaways, the same $1,000. And also, if you guys have family members that want to subscribe to the channel, that want to be a part of this, they can also sign up for the giveaways. So they just have to come over here to the website, go sign their names, and make sure that they're subscribed to the YouTube channel. That's all they have to do. Be subscribed to the YouTube channel and put the code of the day, and they can also win the $1,000. If they win the $1,000, you can also win the $1,000. If they win, but they know somebody else that's subscribed to the channel, then that other person can win those $1,000 as well. So I'll give both of you guys $1,000. If it comes to the case that I'm giving away more money, like $5,000, I'll be generous enough to give the other person $5,000 as well. Alright, you guys, so let's get to the trading. I don't want to get too boring up in here. It is going to be a long video, so be ready for this. Alright, you guys, so let's do the video recap of how I made $36,000, and I'll explain every single trade that I took on so you guys know what trades to take on. And then afterwards, if you guys have questions, stuff like that, comment down below. Go to the website, go check it out. Alright, you guys, let's get into it because it's a long video. Let's do this. Alright, so for the first trade here, as you guys can see, it's touching a resistance level right there. I predicted that it was going to touch a little lower. Not necessarily too low. Let me actually move out of the way a little bit so you guys can see. So as you guys can see, it says 112572, so it's above 12570, right? So there's actually a position that I took on, excuse me, that I took on. So right here, it looks like I'm trying to put on 200 positions. Saying that it's gonna go below 1259. So I saw that it was pushing down, that it was trying to touch the resistance level. So that's a good indicator. That's actually a pretty good move in my opinion. Knowing how to trade, knowing when to go into a trade, seeing the resistance level, seeing the indicator right here, you guys. If you guys see this, like it's showing that the volume is low, and also that the what's it called, the balance of the positions are actually not that strong. If it was strong pushing upwards, it would have been spiking up, but it wasn't. So I found this as like a good indicator. That's why I tried putting in like 200 positions. As you can see, I'm trying to buy it for even cheaper price, offering more risk and less reward. But at the same time, let me move out of the way. Seems like I'm it seems like I'm getting in the way of every single shot, you guys. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm trying to buy more positions to see the price went up a little bit more, so I'm trying to make some money, you guys. So I bought 200 more positions. Now the average price is 17.19, as you guys can see right over here. So 17.19 times 400. I'm doing the calculations right now. Alrighty. Whew. Excuse if I yawn. I am so tired, you guys. Literally, it was a long trading day, and today I'm not trading. Today I'm just too tired. You should not be trading if you're too tired. All right, so 1749 times 400. I think we're looking at a little bit over $5,000 profit right there. I think it was like $6,000 profit. Let me actually do the calculations right now. So 1719 times 400 contracts, that's 6,876. So that's a lot more than I thought. And then minus 400, so 6,476. So I subtracted the positions, so minus 400 positions. So as you guys can see, we have 55 seconds left, and the position is about to expire. This was my first trade, I believe, of the day. So pretty good, so far. They were offering like $1,000, $2,000 to withdraw those profits. They didn't want me to make the over $6,000. So about 30 seconds left. As you guys can see, it's at 12576. Somebody asked me, do you just look at the trading page, or do you look at the indicative price instead of looking at the charts? Well, what I like to do is I like to check the charts first before placing the trade. When I see the charts, when I identify what I'm about to trade, then I put on the position, and after placing the position, I focus more on looking at the indicative price where it's at right now, because Nadex and Netanya, like that's what I use, Netanya. I love Netanya, like it's pretty useful. I love their charting. It's free. I mean, not that I'm not that I want to pay for it, but I mean it's free, so that's why I started using it initially. And I've been using it for years. Sorry, you guys. So as you guys can see, the position already expired. I'm looking at this is live, you guys. This is as I was taking the positions. Alright, so as you see how it's leveling out. Sometimes you have to check the volume. So like the volume right now is pretty low. When the volume's low, there's not really a lot of breakouts. There's no breakouts usually. And I looked at the news beforehand, so there shouldn't have been. Oh yeah. There shouldn't have been any breakouts or anything like that. So right now I was just looking at the psychology of the market. This is what I like to explain, is that there is psychology when you're trading stocks, when you're trading the market. You do see, like, it's like humans. It's like when you see a human being with a frowny face, you probably think that they're going through something, right? You probably think that they're mad, or they have like some sort of relationship issue. So that's what you would predict, right? So same thing with the market. If you see spikes, you obviously believe that there's strength and that it's going to continue moving in an upward or downward trend, right? So if it's a strong spike, then you believe that there's a lot of people behind that decision. Oh my god, I can't even speak. I'm so tired. All right, so right here, obviously it's close to 1259. So it was whether that was like basically you're going to be taking a decision between saying it's going to go above or below. In strong occasions, if you're a new trader, you should probably not take this trade. The reason for is just too close of a call. So 12586. I mean, it's a pretty good price to decide whether it's going to go down or above. For this one, I kind of wanted to wait out until like last minute to take on the trade, because last minute I was looking at the psychology of the trades. I was checking out the trades. I was checking out every single expiry and seeing what happens towards the end. So same thing with you guys. If you guys want to become good traders, you guys should wait out a few trades and check out how the market's moving currently, because the market changes over time. Think like within an hour, within 30 minutes, it can change drastically. So I decided to wait on this. I decided to take on a position. So right here I was thinking like, oh, it's not gonna go above 1259. So that's what I'm basically setting up right here for. 35.50. Trying to put 200 positions. I'm trying to get it for 30 bucks. Let's see. Oop, I should probably move out of the way so you guys can see. I'm always in your ways, you guys. So right here, it looks like there's about a minute left, and I did get it for 30.75. But look at this, you guys. It's pretty close. 1259. I should have waited it out. To be honest, I should have waited it out. And I should have seen what it was gonna do. It was predictable that it could have been a close call, that it could have spiked above, and also it kind of got me because I was a little bit. Oh, sorry, you guys. Did you guys see that? So let me back up a little bit. All right, so okay, this is when I took on the trade. I got filled in, right? And then so what happened, you guys? There you go. So I exited out the position. The reason for is because I saw that it was going against me, and then it was actually pushing upwards. It was pushing upwards, and I saw the volume, I saw the indicator, I saw what's it called, the balance of power, and it was shooting up, you guys. And then the last few seconds, man, I tried getting in, but I couldn't. So that ended up being a loss. So like I said, you guys, in the last videos, I wanted to show you guys, I wanted to be honest with you guys, I wanted to show you guys a loss. I ended up losing $1,600 on this position, I remember. So $1,600, so minus that by 6,500 or something like that. So we ended up being around $5,000 profit around this time. Let's see. So right here I took on a position. I think I skipped forward a little too much. So I put on another position right here for Euro USD, saying that I was going to go below. I got filled in for partial of the position. So I was already 400 contracts in, saying that it was going below. The average price was 85, so $15 profit per position. So 15 times 400, that's $6,000, I believe. I hope I'm right. So that's $6,000. The other position, as you guys saw, that was down here, I canceled it. It was 50 more contracts. I canceled it because it was like the last minute. And if the position were to turn against me, it's those 50 contracts, 50 positions that I can save myself from decreasing my account. So that's why I ended up closing those 50 other extra contracts. So look at this. So 400 contracts times $15 profit per position is $6,000. But that's a lot of risk, you guys. If you don't have a big account, you don't want to be putting on too many positions. So I took on 400 contracts, $50 profit. Technically, it's like a $85 risk, times that by 400, that's like over $30,000 risk, you guys. So you have to be really confident with that. So I did take the position, and I was pretty confident on that position. So I decided to take action. All right, you guys. All right, I have my dog. Hold on. My dog, I think she's trying to go outside to pee. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Sorry about that, you guys. So, let's see. What was I doing here? Oh, okay. So if you guys can see, oh, I don't know if you guys saw that, but there was resistance over here. So a lot of the trading has to do with the resistance levels from the past as well. So it really helps to like scroll out, kind of zoom out and see where the resistance levels were before, because they do get like those resistance levels, they're there for a reason. It's a point where a lot of people are deciding whether it's gonna whether it's gonna continue going up or continue going down in value. So right there, like right here, there's resistance level. Right here, there's resistance levels. This is where people are deciding whether, you know, the price or the value of a certain asset, it's gonna increase or decrease. Alrighty. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button if you like this content. Comment down below if you have checked out the website. Come back to this and comment down below if you already checked it out, and say that comment done. Actually, comment done if you already posted the code. I want to make sure that everything goes smoothly. I want to make sure. Oh my God, my dog is so annoying. So, oh, let me show you guys this right here. So it went up to this resistance level. So 110.57, and then let me see. Okay, there's a lot of movement right here. And my dog was distracting me. Oh, she's so annoying. Sorry, you guys. Alright, so okay. So right here, as you guys can see, there's resistance level here, resistance level right here. And that's exactly what it was about to touch, 5.7. So I was trying to see if it was going to actually push over 5.7. If it was going to continue going up. As you guys saw, there was another position. And right here, I felt pretty confident to decide that it was going to go up. And I got filled in for this position. So I got filled in 100 positions. I was waiting to see if I was going to get filled in for the other 100 positions. Let me see. Oh yeah. So as you guys can see, so as I predicted, I was predicting that it was going to go up to this level right here. So up here is like 570. Up there was like 580. So I was like, you know what? Looking at the indicator, looking at the volume, the price indicator, the balance of power, it was pushing upwards, you guys. And there was a lot more traders during that period when I put on the position. So I was like, yeah, it's definitely going to push up and it's going to hit the 580s. So it did exactly what I was thinking. So 64.25, 100 positions, and I got like $35 per position. So I got 3,500, as you guys can see. So that brings my account up. I think that's $8,000, $9,000. Okay. All right. All right, you guys. So let's see the next trade. As you guys can see, boom. Yeah, I saw that resistance level over here. Yeah, I saw that resistance over here on this side. It's hitting the same resistance here. This is why it's not moving a lot, because there's resistance right there. So it's pretty self-explanatory, you guys. Trading is pretty self-explanatory. People overthink about it, overthink it, and then they don't think about how simple trading really is. It's all about resistance. It's all about volume. It's all about the psychology of the traders. It's all about the people behind the trades. It's about the businesses. So you guys got to think about why are these, like, why is it moving this way? And you should you should mostly focus on thinking, why are traders, why is there resistance here? And with this resistance from the past, will it stay within this resistance? If it stays within this resistance, can I take a position and make a profit out of this resistance? So stuff like that you got to think about. It's not too hard. It might sound hard right now, but it's actually not that hard. As you become a better trader, you'll take advantage of these positions, of these opportunities. So right here, I was looking at this right here, looking at that resistance. I was trying to see if I was going to get filled in for a good price. So we got 1.3396. I was trying to get a position in. Whoa. So I got 100 positions in. Average price 42. Excuse me, you guys. My dog is being annoying. Let her in. All right, you guys. Man, I need to take her. I need to take her to like a doggy boot camp or doggy training center. She is so annoying. All right, so I took out 100 positions. Woo! For a $4,200 profit minus 100, so 4,100. Saying that it was going to be below 3396. I checked the volume. I checked the indicators. You can't see it here, but I have it down below. And basically, I just took on. I saw the whip. I saw the candlesticks. From experience, you guys, it pulls back pretty hard. Even though like, even though I was about to show you, even though it pulls back on the other trades, so it does a very similar type of trade. So right there, I was actually deciding. Right now, I'm explaining it like I'm really confident in everything, but while I was trading, like I was thinking, like I'm gonna hop out of this position because it was cutting it really close. Boom. And I actually kind of failed right here, you guys. I failed. And knocked out that position. Ended up like losing 1,000 something. All right, guys. So right here, I took on a position 200 positions for the average price of 69. And it was the last minute. As you guys saw that I took out a position, took a minor loss, 200 positions, you guys, times it by minus. Look, I'm trying to make the calculation right here. Why am I trying to explain myself? So 31 times 200, so 6,200. Basically made like another $5,000 right there on this position. Okay. All right, so as you guys probably heard, I was excited. I was excited on that position. I was like, yeah, I got it. Like it was doing two things that I knew it was gonna do. It was gonna pull back down hard, and then it was gonna try to reach. It's trying to reach this level, you guys. It was definitely trying to reach this level. So it was just a matter of time. So right away, I took a small loss, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make a big profit. That's why I took the other position. Made about $6,000 minus the small loss. So I made about $5,000 in that position. Alrighty. Right here, I was trying to take 200 positions for the price of 75. I got filled in, saying that I was going to be above 13396. As you guys saw, 13396 is around this level right here. I was really confident that it was going to stay up there. On the indicator, if you guys can see, oops, let me try this. Now, if you guys can see the volume, look how it's spiking up. That red bar that I was showing you down there, where it says 345, So right here, it's spiking up. The volume is high, you guys. And right here, let me see. And right here, it's showing a little bit of a decline. So it actually spiked up 13398 around that area. It was trying to go down a little bit, but it was staying within that resistance level. So that's why you don't see that spike going all the way down. It was just staying right there. I like to see that. I like to see, after placing a trade, I like to see that because that gives me confidence in staying in the trade. You do not want to go on a trade. You want to stay in a trade if you see that all the indicators are pointing against you. So like right here, I see a small little wick pushing downwards. So that's nothing to me, you guys. I was just waiting this out. To be honest, around this time when you're like, you know what, I'm putting in 200 positions, I'm stressing out. You guys probably don't even hear it in my voice, but I was stressing out. I was like, oh goodness. You know, I know it's gonna go up. Sometimes you feel kind of like nervous about taking a position like this. But it's normal. You got to keep composure. You got to keep to yourself. So yeah, so $25, positions 200, ended up being a $5,000 profit, I believe. So right here they were offering $1,800, $1,000, $2,000. So they try to offer you prices. You guys can always accept that. All you have to do is basically close down your position, and they'll give you that. As you see, it spiked up as I predicted. That spike right here gave it away. Like a lot of volume was coming in. If you guys can see that, this little tail that's right there, it's now turning upwards. So it definitely shows strength in the upward area, but very confident that it's going to die down pretty quick, and it might go down again after the position. So I was really confident in taking this trade and possibly going on another trade afterwards against the USD and the CAD. So that's why I took on that position. I was really confident when I saw that. I was like, yup, nope, nothing to worry about. It's gonna go in my favor. All right, so that's why I took on that position. So about 60 seconds left. They're offering about $3,000 profit. I am not gonna take that. I'm gonna wait it out because I can get an extra $2,000. You guys don't forget to go to the website and put the code for the day. You want to take advantage of that, you guys. Like, it's $1,000 from March 31st, the first giveaway, and then after that, April 1st, you guys, and then April 2nd, April 3rd, $1,000 a day. Take advantage of it. Tell your friends. You get better chances of winning the $1,000 if you tell your friends, because if they win, you win. Might as well, you guys. Alright, so I won that position. Really great trade, you guys. Really great. You should always look for setups like that. Let's see. Right here, I was just like taking a small little break and then getting ready for the next possible trade. Let me see what's going on. Okay. Back to the action. So I was trying to see if it was going to go down the resistance right there. As you guys can see, like I told you guys, the wick. You guys see that right there? Man, I get excited at this because I feel like I can prophesy. I can predict the market, you guys. Look at it. So this is actually Euro versus USD. It does similar movements as the US and the CAD. So I'm looking at Euro USD now. But if you guys saw it earlier, you saw how it was going down. I could have taken a position for that one. Kind of regret that I didn't. Alright, so 21.50 is the average price. I took on 100 positions. I was trying to get filled in for 400. believe this one is one of the largest positions I took on. I think is this one. I might be wrong. 2150. See, I changed the price. I changed the price so I could get filled in because I was really confident. Really confident. And sometimes it's really dangerous to be really confident, you guys. But it was a good confidence that I was in. I was in a good confident mode. Overall, great day to trade, you guys. Taking losses quick and making large profits at the end. I'm ending the order for 15. I got the average price of 17 towards the end. I think that's what it was. So right now, about $2,150 profit. Saying that it was gonna go down below 1257. As you can see, the price went up, like 22, 23, but my average price stopped at 1663. As you guys can see, you guys see this resistance level right there. This is what I was comparing it to, but I was afraid that it might actually come up over here. But still, it could have touched 1.6 and then came back down. I was looking at the resistance and the activity, the psychology behind the trades, and they had a lot of pullbacks. So I was pretty confident if it were to reach up there, I would have bought more contracts, more positions, and I would have known that it would have gone down. So for this position, 6,652 minus the 400 positions, the 400 because it's $1 per position that they charge you. So it's basically $6,252 profit on this one. I'm pretty sure by this point I'm like over $20,000 profit with this trade. So pretty good trade. I could have stopped there. I could have called it a day, but I thought that the momentum wasn't done. It wasn't done. It was such a good day. So I decided to keep going. I believe I have 2 more trades after this, bringing me to 36,000. I think it's one more trade. I think it's just one more trade. I don't know, you guys, but I calculated it and it came out to 36,000. My account came up to $36,000 profit, so it's about right. Let's see. What do you want? What do you want? So annoying. My dog. Sasha. You guys want to see my ugly dog? Sasha! Come on! My ugly dog. Say hi, Sasha! Say hi! Man, she's so annoying. She likes to be annoying sometimes. It's the way that she likes attention. The way she gets the attention is by barking and being annoying. It's okay though. I understand. So as you guys can see, the resistance level right there. Yeah, that's pretty good right there, you guys. That's really tradable. Look at the volume. Look at the BOP right there. You guys can see the volume and the BOP is right above. So that's the balance of power. And it's showing that it's going up. It's going up, you guys. And that's a good way to catch it. Since the volume is very low, you can definitely see a reversal. Or you can see a reversal setup. You can see that it's actually going to push back down. It's not going to push above where it is right now. So that's such a perfect trade right there. Let me see. Did it actually? Was this it? 5. Okay, there you go. A little bit of action. Okay. So it looks like I'm trying to get in a position right now. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Look at where my mouse is right now. So you guys see that resistance right there? So I don't think it's gonna push above that. Nope, I do not. So there you go. Trying to buy it for $41.25. 100 contracts, got filled in really quick. No hesitation. So as you guys can see, it's at 12567 right here, and on Nadex it was at 12569. So Nadex kind of lags sometimes. Oh, you almost fell. You almost died, Sasha. Sorry about that, you guys. She almost died. She's getting a little bit old. She's getting clumsier and clumsier. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. So I was really confident. Nadex kind of lagged, so I knew that towards the end I was gonna win this position either way. So my confidence was pretty good on this trade. Even though it says 5, 6, 9, they try to make you nervous, but don't use your emotions. Use your knowledge. All right. There you go, 41.25, 4,125 minus 100, so it's like $4,025. So let's see. Sorry, I got a phone call. That can wait. All right, Sasha, I'm gonna put you down so I can finish this video. You're too distracting. So as you guys saw, I won that position. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Bang. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked watching my trades and everything. I'm sorry for the distractions and everything. Man, it took a lot of effort, I swear to you guys. It took like 10 hours to make this video. But I hope you guys liked it. I hope you liked the content. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell button so you guys are informed every single time I upload a video. And make sure that you guys put in the code on the website. Go to giveaways and more videos and enter that code that I said. Alright, you guys, until next time, as always, hold strong.